out to this house complaining about stoppages from the master bath and the kitchen not draining correctly. We're going to run a camera up the sewer line to locate the problem inside the home. We do have water buildup, which indicates a belly in the sewer line. I'm going to go back in the house and locate the sewer line now. This is a line locator. Locates the camera head. The piping is in the floor. Unfortunately, is underneath this wall right here. So I have to take the hardwood floor out, the closet, gotta cut the wall, and I'll have to go underneath this wall, cut out the wall, the flooring out here to get to that bad pipe. Well, we finally got the exposed lines here after chipping up floor. We expected a belly line, and this right here, section here, is where the belly is. It goes up and it goes down and it goes back outside up. So I have to do the repair. I have to cut the vent stack, the toilet line here, and I have to cut the tub. Everything has got to be raised up roughly about 1.5 to 2 inches. Okay, we're back outside. This is the main drain coming out here outside the wall. This here is the clean out. And what causes the problem with these bellies of line is these big roots right here that we had to cut out to get to this drain line. And this tree behind over here is the problem. Alright, we're back outside. We're going to video this line that we just installed. This line was full of water yesterday. I'm entering the line going up to the house. This is the new line that we installed. This here was all underwater yesterday. This is the fitting where we fixed. It was all underwater right here. I'm going to scope the septic tank side of it to make sure the drain field side is working properly. This is the drain field side. I don't see no roots in it.